Hello, welcome to my channel, the Basic Pathshala. Today we will solve a question which is application of derivatives. So, sand is pouring at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Falling sand forms a cone such that height of the cone is 1/6 of the base radius, and then the height of the cone such that height of the cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter at the rate of is okay. So basically, this is a tricky question with his tricky language. It just wanted to calculate the height of the cone which is increasing, and it is clearly given at the rate of, that is, we have to calculate dh over dt when height of the cone is 4 centimeter. When height of the cone is 4 centimeter. So we have been given that the pouring sand forms a cone, so it is 1 by 3 pi r square of h, and this is we can conclude that the height is 1/6 of radius. So I can write my radius as 6 times of height. So 1 by 3 pi 36h square into h. So let us differentiate this volume with respect to time to get the rate, which is here 12 centimeter cube per second. So dv by dt is 1 by 3 pi 36 times 3h square dh over dt. I hope you know basics of differentiation, which is given as 12 centimeter cube per second. So this is 12 and 12 cancelled out. We will get our dh over dt is 1 by 3h square 1 by 3h square pi. And now they want to calculate as dh by dt when height is 4 centimeter, which is 1 over 4 square, which is 16, so 48 times pi. This is the answer to our question, and this option D. So that's it for today's video. Thanks.